In today's episode, we are giving the brake calipers a complete overhaul. That means cleaning, disassembling, replacing the parts and putting everything back together. Hi, welcome to the 5th episode of the series about restoring our old BMW 2002.
In today's episode, we're going to take these old calipers that we took off our 2002 and give them a new shine. This is what they look like when we took them off the car. Step 1. Cleaning. Because we want to paint the calipers, we need to get rid of all the rust, dirt, and grime. The calipers are still complete, including the dust caps, a piece of the intake tube, and the bleeders, so they're sealed nicely, and we can put them in the sandblasting box. Comparison after and before sandblasting. Then I'll take a wire brush on the angle grinder. After a few minutes of work, they look like this. And now they both look the same. Step 2, disassembly. Because we will also be changing the inner sealings in the caliper, we have to take the pistons out. If the caliper is functional and the car is driven regularly, it may be enough to just blow into it with a compressed air. It would be a wonderful world, but unfortunately, we have never had such luck with vintage cars. So we are waiting for a more dirty method, or in our case, greasier one, because we will use a grease gun with Vaseline to push out the piston. By pushing Vaseline into the caliper, we simulate the pressure of the brake fluid and the piston will start moving. This is how we managed to push out even very stuck pistons in the past. In our case, it is a 4-piston caliper. So to prevent one piston from going all the way out and losing pressure inside, we have a stick or metal bar stuck in the lathe. So the moving piston stops against the obstacle and the pressure inside will press on the remaining piston. Because this caliper has 2 inputs and each input is only for 2 pistons.
Tak. Je to tam milimetr od toho. Tak je dál. To asi neudržíš.
Můžeš.
No, dobrý. Tak, konec.
Můžeš úplně.
Tenhle už cvaknul. Můžu? Ještě?
Jo.
Jo, ten už jde ven. Dobrý.
Tak.
Jdeme na druhý.
Můžeš vyndat. Chce mi tam zajet. Už je tam. Zkusím. Jo, ten už leze.
Můžeš.
asi kam.
No.
To neuřešíš.
A právě jak jsi vyjel, tak...
Ne to.
Počkej, jednou tu. No, pojď.
Už jsem celý otopoval. Podeš ten druhý.
Už si mě vytlačil.
Já už to chci.
In order to be able to remove the pistons, we have to split the caliper in half. You just need to loosen only the 4 screws that hold it together.
Co to je?
Unfortunately, someone had already worked on all of the calipers, and the screw was chewed off, so we had to use a welder.
Ten krouku.
Já se hejbu, ale nehejbe se spodek.
Tak houby.
Jo, jde.
Už je náš.
Jo, ale ono i tady je ten nějaký pokurvený.
No.
We take the pistons and dust caps out of the halved caliper and rinse off the vast line. All you need is a spray brake cleaner, and then blow it out with a compressor. Another bonus step is washing it in the table. Step 3, inspection. In the next step, we look inside to see if the caliper is rusted. The calipers are okay inside. The pistons are mostly okay. Unfortunately, 2 of them could not be used, so we will order new ones. Then I lightly sand them with 2000 grit wet sandpaper under WD-40. It is also important to clean the groove where the sealing rubber is. Step 4, ordering new parts. We measure the old parts and order them according to the catalog. Immediately afterwards, we curse the shipping company, which twice fails to deliver the package, so the next attempt will be on Monday, so it will not be assembled over the weekend. Step 5, painting. Before painting, we degrease the calipers again, and, if necessary, sand them a little more. We seal the places where we do not want the paint to get, and we can paint. There are more options. Foliate Tech makes paints directly for brakes. Unfortunately, it happened to me that the red paint faded after a few years even though the car didn't drive much. Or you can use special spray paints, or have it sprayed with Comaxit. We chose a decent black color. Step 6, assembly. After you have assembled all the necessary parts, the magic moment comes. Before we start, I recommend blowing it out with air and spraying it with brake cleaner and blowing it out again. When it's clean, we can assemble. We use this paste from 80 Ears for the internal spaces of brake components. To simplify it, it is friendly with rubber and it is used where brake fluid is. A little tip from a trainer from AT, you can also lubricate the breather with it so that it will loosen better in the future. The assembly procedure is as follows. Insert a rubber band into the groove. Lightly grease the interior. Insert the piston. And finally cover with a dust cover. When we are done, we connect the two halves together. We put the new screws on the glue as recommended. The calipers are different, meaning that the right one is different from the left one. In our case, we can recognize the parts of the caliper that belong together by the bleeders pointing in the same direction. Step 7, final steps. This is not done in our case, but for completeness after assembly, bleed the brake system, check the brake hoses for cracks and the brake lines for rust. Also check the condition and level of the brake fluid. And after the test drive, check the caliper for possible fluid leaks. Anyone who saw the last part is definitely waiting for the giant mystery to be solved. What awaits us after removing the head on a broken engine, ready? So let's get to it.
Voda. Voda, tady je ještě benzín dokonce.
If you made it till here, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and also click on subscribe, so you won't miss the next episode where we start with bodyworks.